Hi friends! Today's lesson is from Module 5, Lesson 20. Our learning goal for today says, I can break apart teen numbers in different ways. Man, oh man, teen numbers are great because we've learned how to describe them in different ways. We've learned how to model them in pictures in different ways. And today we're going to show them with their numbers broken apart in different ways. We're going to use the number bond, and we're also going to be writing number sentences. Friends, we've had some practices with writing the number bonds, so we're going to go ahead and get right to work. What I need you to do is go ahead and go grab a dry erase board and a marker. Press pause while you grab those materials and then press play when you're all set. Okay, are you ready? Good, because you should be feeling pretty comfortable and confident with making a number bond with teen numbers. So on your dry erase board right now, I want you to go ahead and draw an empty number bond. Now remember, don't forget, if I go too fast, you can always press pause, do whatever you need to complete, and then press play when you're ready. Okay, so don't draw anything else after your number bond, but I'm going to have my beanie friends come back. Hey, bean friends. All right, what I would like you to do is I want you to press pause, count how many beans you see, and then write that number. You don't have to draw those bean friends. Just write that number in your number bond. Okay, go ahead and do that. Press pause. Okay, friends, what number did you write? Good job. Yeah, there are 14 of them. Perfect. All right, now we want to think about the parts of our number bond. Remember, if this is the whole amount, the empty pieces are the parts, or like what made the whole amount. So I see we have these red beans. So go ahead, just thinking about just the red beans, what would that part be? Go ahead and write it on your number bond. Yes, good job. 10. There are 10 red beans. Then what would the other part be then, friends? Yeah, the white beans, right? All right, so go ahead and count those white beans and then write that as the other part. What was it, friends? Good. Yeah, 4. Perfecto. All right, so this is one way we can show a teen number broken apart, right? And that's our learning goal. Now let's do one more. We're going to write a number sentence showing these parts. All right, so let's see. I know that when you write a number sentence, you want to make sure that there's something that's added together and then equals. So we're going to add the parts together to equal the whole amount. Let's start with 10. On your board, can you go ahead and write 10 plus? And if we're adding 10, what are we adding to 10 to make the whole amount? Yeah, go ahead and write that on your board. 10 plus 4, of course. All right, the last little part of our number bond or our number sentence would be the equal sign. So 10 plus 4 equals what, friends? Yeah, the whole amount, 14. All right, so those are the two different ways that we are going to show a teen number broken apart today. We're going to pull out the 10 and then find the other part and then add those pieces together to make the whole amount for our number sentence. All right, you did fantastic. Go ahead and erase your board. We're going to try another one. All right, friends, is your board all erased? Okay, so here we go. Let's see. We need a nice big juicy number. Okay, I know a whole amount. Our whole amount's going to be 16. Can you go ahead and put that in the right spot in your number bond? Yeah, it goes right there. All right, so 16. And then let's see, if I'm thinking 10 sixths, that's the say 10 way. What would the two parts be? Go ahead and fill in your parts on your number bond. If you need to press pause while you do it, that's fine, and then press play to check yourself. All right, well, saying a teen number the say 10 way actually really helps out with knowing the parts I could use. 10 6. Well, there you go, I just said it. A 10 is in there, and also a 6. Okay, that is why the say 10 way is so helpful. Okay, so do you think that you could write a number sentence showing the parts being added together to equal the whole amount? Try it. Go ahead. Press pause and try it. Try to write a number sentence where you're adding those parts together and equaling the whole amount. Okay, you ready? This is what I did. I like to start with the 10. So I said 10 plus 6, because 10 and 6 are the parts, equals 16, the whole amount. How'd you do, friend? Oh, fantastic. All right, let's go ahead and give ourselves a super clap. On the count of three, let's clap one big clap, nice and loud. 1, 2, 3. We're amazing. Okay, erase your board, friends. All right, I'm going to give you a super challenge. I mean, I think you can totally do it, but you have to really think hard. All right, go ahead and draw an empty number bond again. All right, I'm going to give you the parts, and then I want you to fill in the whole amount. Okay? Are you ready? So here's a part, and here's the other part. All right, I told you it's going to be tricky. Can you fill in the whole amount? 10 plus 10, what does that equal? Well, I like to think it the say 10 way, so I have two tens. Oh, yeah. What did you write, friends? Did you write 20? Ah, you're so good. Yeah, because if you have two tens, that equals 20. Excellent. All right, can you put all of that good information into a number sentence? Yeah, go for it. Try it. All right, do you have your number sentence? See, the thing that's tricky, we've talked about this before. When the parts look the same, sometimes people get really confused. But don't forget, when you add the parts together, that's what equals the whole amount. So the parts might look the same. 10 plus 10 equals 20. So don't be concerned if for some reason when you're writing your number sentence, it looks like you've done something wrong. As long as it matches the parts in your number bond, you didn't. You were totally correct. All right, how'd you do, friends? Oh, good. You're on a roll. Excellent. Go ahead and erase your board. All right, our learning goal said, I can break apart team numbers in different ways. That's exactly what we did. We used a number bond to show a team number broken up, and then we wrote a number sentence to also show it. Now, for your exit ticket, this is what I would like you to do. I already did the number bond for you. You're welcome. I would like you to go ahead and draw a number sentence that matches this number bond, okay? All right, I cannot wait to see your good work and then send it to me, okay? All right, good luck, friends.